Oh my God. Are you okay? Yeah. A lot of people complain about the turning radius of the 690 Enduro R. The first time I got on it, I got on my buddy's, and before he had adjusted it and knew anything about it, and man, it was like kink, 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 kink. This one has been adjusted, but not as much as it can be. If you have a 690, you know this. This is for the people who kind of naysay about the 690 turning radius. Most of us just drop a foot and do it in 5 feet by the throttle, but I'm just saying a pavement U-turn. This bolt, if you turn this in, it increases the left to right, or this bolt would just do the left side. If you can see it, I've got another 1/4 inch before this fork hits here. I'm going to tighten that bolt a little bit and show you the distance. I'm going to get a piece of chalk before I do it. I'm going to put it on the kickstand, I'm going to put it on the back wheel, I'm going to put it right here and draw a line, and then show you what just minimally adjusting this bolt will do. Stand by. Alright, the bolt is a 1/2 inch, 13 worked also. I'm about to make the adjustments. I went ahead and put a straight edge against the tire, drew out the line, current parallel front to rear, put a little circle around the kickstands. I make sure it's in the same place. This line shows the turn now, which would be, you know, that angle. This obtuse angle right here would be the turning range, which is pretty silly. It's pretty crappy. So now I'm going to straighten it out. I'm going to take my 1/2 inch Craftsman here. The open end seems to work better with these larger ratcheting things because the bolt's pretty tight. And I'm going to make a couple of adjustments and we'll see what kind of difference I can make. I'm going to take it to its bitter edge. Stand by. Back pretty much in the same spot. You can see the parallel there. You can see my mark there. I fought that thing trying to get that stupid kickstand back in the circle, but it's close to damn enough. I increase the radius at the length at the, the outside of the tire, 2 inches. So I'm gaining 2 inches on the radius of my turn. Let's say 2 inches over 10 feet if you could, I'm not sure what the radius is, but I'm just learning. But let's say it is 10 feet. That's 20 inches. It's nearly 2 feet. It's kind of like if you're trying to rip a piece of plywood and your measurements are off. Just a 1/16 of an inch over 8 feet can be 8/16. You can be a 1/2 inch out of square. So I believe that's the physics. Don't beat me up if it's not. All I'm saying is that steering is very adjustable. If that's not the physics, let me know what they are and leave it in the comments. Story Moto out.